Hi guys, what's up? So we're here in Tobago and I didn't have a vlog for you this weekend. Steph is actually holding the camera right now. So what's actually going on is a race called the Tobago Cycling Classic, which is my father's race. It's an internationally recognized cycling race and I've been asked to come across and film it and document it for him and for Tobago to help the tourism and to help the event. However, there will be a full video coming on that in a couple of weeks. But today, Stephanie and I are just showing you a day in the life. We'll be filming some of the cycling going on. From there, we might grab a breakfast. There's a pigeon point line for the cyclists, which is today on the Saturday. And from there, we're picking up some lobster later in the evening to have a nice dinner. And we're just going to bring you along for your ride, so I hope you enjoy. I'll show you some spectacular views and some fun along the way. So check it out guys, and welcome to Tobago. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, real excitement out there today. You should come across and check out the Tobago Cycling Classic whenever it's once a year in Tobago. Real cool event, all the locals and international people come out. Plenty of excitement. And I'm about to film the start of the biggest race here, which is Division 1 with all the fastest and biggest riders who have come to the country to participate. And from here we'll be moving on. But it's been really exciting and I hope you're enjoying the coverage as well too. Again, full video on this, specifically tailored to the Cycling Classic, will be out in a few weeks. But today is just a little tag along. I hope you're enjoying it. No. So baby, dance. What's all the fruits? What going on?
Yes, some melon right here.
I like that. Baby, you enjoying it?
Yeah, no, it's good. It's very exciting. It's thrilling.
And it's hot, huh?
Well, yes, it's hot. And now we are actually in the car cooling off. So we're taking a break before we have to go back out and film the finish.
Because the race has 50 laps.
Yes, and it's about a minute per lap apparently.
Yeah, so they're about, I think, 25 laps in. So we just need to film the end. And then breakfast.
Yes,
some breakfast.
I'm excited for food and some coffee.
And some coffee, and then pigeon
I
point
haven't been
later.
fed for the days yet.
Not been fed, and then lobster.
Lobster for dinner.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Alright, so tell them peace out.
Peace out, guys.
Don't touch my cup.
I didn't.
Winner of the race.
Winner of the race, number 20.
Number 20. Put your hands together. Let's say for number 20.
Hi guys, so we're a little tired and exhausted from this morning, but I'm hungry. So we're at Dreamsicle Cafe now. We're gonna have a little coffee and breakfast.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
So that was real action there at Pigeon Point. I couldn't even talk because there was so much loud action going on and steel pan and all kind of different things. But now, the little treat to myself and to the wife after all this hard work and filming for today is we're now at a place called Paradise Grill or Tobago Paradise Grill, where we often come and buy some lobster when we're really feeling like we deserve a little extra treat at the end of our trip. So I'll go and pick it up now, and we're going to carry it home and eat it and check it out. Alright guys, so we have Alan and Lynette, is that correct?
Yes.
The owners of Tobago Paradise Grill.
Travel and Grill.
Travel and Grill?
Yes.
I say in Paradise, that's the wrong thing then.
Tobago Paradise Travel and Grill.
Okay, I wasn't too wrong then.
Yeah.
And just give me a quick thing before I focus on my lovely lobster there. How long you all in business now?
About 8 years.
You're open every day of the week, or how does it work?
Monday to Saturday.
Monday to Saturday. And what is your preferred way of people get in touch with you? Is it the cell phone number thing outside?
Yep, just WhatsApp us and we send you a menu. You pre-order, send the order back to us, and we have everything ready for you to go.
Alright, so let me take a look at the star show here. My delicious lobster that I'm going home with. Very nice. So these I ordered two medium lobsters.
You ordered 2 medium lobsters. Sometimes if we don't have a complete medium, we'll make sure that you have a medium in weight.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
You have 4 smalls.
4 small lobsters.
Being Trini Surfer, we throw in extra one for you.
That's good, yeah. Disclaimer to everybody, Trini Surfer doesn't deserve anything extra, but you know if people are nice, no problem. I got a nice coleslaw.
You got some coleslaw, you got some potato salad,
yes.
You got all your condiments.
All my condiments here.
Melted garlic butter,
which is
ketchup,
main
mayo, yep. And you got some fries.
Fries in here,
Beautiful
delicious. Lovely.
Yeah.
Lynette, thank you very much yet again. This
welcome.
is maybe my 4th or 5th time experience in eating your food. And Alan, who hiding me back there.
Thank you for coming always.
Right?
You're doing a great job.
I'm trying my best. So everybody check out Lynette and Alan. If you want some best lobster and best food when you come to Tobago, right?
Thank you.
Baby, are you ready to go and eat all this lobster?
I am.
Alright, we're heading inside. Let's go. Show us that lobster walk. Alright guys, so we're finally home after all this action from today. You see a big spread in front of us. This is like Mark Wayne style now, you know. Let me get a little closer to Steph. So let's uncover the lobster. Put this off to the side.
That's insane.
So check our lobster out. Very, very beautiful. So thank you very much Tobago Travel and Paradise Grill. Chips for Stephanie.
Coleslaw.
Coleslaw and potato salad.
Potato salad, yeah.
So guys, we're gonna sit back and enjoy this meal. I hope you had a fantastic day with us as per usual. Look out for the full Tobago Classic video that's to come. It's a really great thing for Tobago and sport on the whole. And when you really think about it, you can kind of think about it like the Tour de France, only small island style. Yeah. And it's really epic. And when you really think about it, Tobago is really great if you could have like these big sporting events and different things, but mixed with the fun and beauty and great food and beaches at Tobago, it's like a huge attraction for people. So yeah, we're gonna dig in. I wish I could share some of this delicious lobster with you.
This is too much.
Yeah, it's a bit too much, but we're gonna try and eat all for you guys because we love you. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. Buy this food when you come to Tobago. Look out for a lot more Trini Surfer and sometimes Stephanie content to come. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
Thank you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
We're gonna dig in.
Yeah.